All right, guys, again, let's go ahead and see this. Also, I want to tell you about Solaris breathing. This is a very simple exercise that helps a lot with absorbing energy for yourself or your patient. Okay, he can do that also. And it's very effective and easy to do. So how do you do this? It's like this. You're gonna pull the air in, okay, let it in, out, empty lung. You hold your breath for one. So hold one, go ahead. Okay? And you keep doing this for a while, and you're gonna feel like full of energy. You can try, and that's for sure. Okay? Very good when we are having a big day with a lot of clients. Yeah, we need that. Okay, I want to talk about the aura. We have an aura. So for this work here, we're gonna think about three auras. We're gonna think about a inner aura that is close to the body and has the shape of our body, and we can actually touch it and feel this field of energy. It's like you're touching something, okay? And exploration is something that you do like to see if there is something that you can feel in here, in this aura. Sometimes you're gonna feel heat, cold, something more spiky or like a hole or something. And that will indicate what there's something wrong in there. And you can then try to perceive what is. All right, that will be your feeling about what it can be. Then we have, I don't use this exploration method anymore because I really don't. It's a lot of time. It's time consuming, and it's easier just to ask the patient what you have, do the work, and that's it. You know, so more time to take care of the patient instead of just being, exploring to see what it is because the person is already telling me. Then you have the second or health aura. It will be like a bunch of straws that will go from the inside out. It will form like an egg-shaped structure around you, and that will be expelling everything away from you. Energy, microorganisms, virus, whatever. Okay? Be always expelling things away from you. But sometimes it can get like tangled and, not work properly. So when we do the cleaning, the sweeping, we're gonna do to make it better, make it work better. Our healing intention is also very important. The healing intention is doing the best that we know and releasing. I cannot be thinking, oh, the person, is she okay? Is she better? I do my part and leave it. Okay, that's very important. The energy cleansing is very important too. We have the general sweeping. We're gonna have two hand positions to do the sweeping. You're gonna have like cupped hands, and open fingers, okay? So we're gonna have 5 lines where to do this cleaning. Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, and line 5 outside of the body. Okay, so nose, eyes, ears, shoulders, outside of the body. Okay? And that will be front and back. So how do we do this? Cupped hands, nose, line 1, clean, throw it away. Line 2, throw it away. Line 3, throw it away. 4 and 5, okay? Then open your fingers and do the same 5 lines again. Line 1, throw it away. Eyes, ears, okay? I made a video for you guys. I'm gonna send it later, okay? And then just throw it away into the bowl that we're gonna have water and salt and lavender oil. And then repeat again the cupped hands, the same 5 lines. So it will be cupped hands, fingers, and cupped hands. And that's it. Okay? Then we turn the patient and do the same thing at the back. All right? We can also use this kind of sweeping to a specific area. We have a headache. Okay, I can do this just in the head like this. Like gathering a lot of dust and then getting that out and throwing it away. Okay? And also you can do this far away from the person. Just imagine the person, put her in a pyramid, and then do the same process. Okay, general sweeping. We talked about the light blue for stabilization of the energy, right? Yeah, okay. And now the elimination of toxic energies. We're gonna use our bowl, salad bowl. You guys have that? Yeah?
Mhm.
Do you have it ready with you? No? Okay.
Have it in another room. Do I need to just bring it in here?
Well, I can use mine. Just like this. You have a bowl,
Mm-hmm.
and then you put salt in it. Okay, mine is already all gone. Okay, you put salt like around here,
Mm-hmm.
like 1 or 2 handfuls. Then you put more around the middle with water, and put some drops of essential oil, lavender essential oil. I usually like to use 7s, so we're gonna use 7 or 14 or 21.
Okay.
So why is this? Because this will absorb the energy. The water absorbs energy. The salt destroys it. And the lavender will transmutate anything else that is in there. Okay? So it's very nice as a bioplasmatic destruction unit. All right? So when we do this cleaning of our hands after the sweeping, we throw everything inside that place. All right? So it will be destroyed. Does it have to be near me when I do this? No. If you keep this always in the same place when you're doing work. When you throw in that direction, even falling on the floor, it will like roll over to the place, okay? It creates like a vortex of energy, pulling everything inside there, okay? So that's it.
Cool.
The cleansing spray is this one over here. Okay, so spray bottle. You fill that up with alcohol
Mhm.
and put some drops of lavender oil. Don't put too much because you're gonna spray this on your hands and arms. And you don't want that too strong. Okay. Then you just, if you're doing work and you feel that you will have a lot of energy in your hands and your arms, and you say, okay, I will not stop now to go wash my hands. So I'm gonna just use this and I just put it and rub it in. And now I'm clean and smelling good at the same time.
So it's just rubbing alcohol. You don't dilute it with any water.
No,
Okay.
just alcohol and essential oil. Oh, that's also important. Yeah, it's necessary to be essential oil, not essence. Okay, essence has just the smell, not the plant itself. Okay, essential oil is the plant. We also have,
So this
yes,
is this good? Can you see this?
what is it? No. Oh, I can't see it from here. Does it say essential oil?
No, it says fragrance oil on it, but it's
Oh,
from
it's fragrance. Probably
it's
not.
the Alpha
Yeah, no,
Sigma.
it has to say essential oil.
Yeah,
This is which oil?
100% pure essential oil. Yeah, right.
I think it's like right? Yeah.
So yes, you need to be essential oil. And then just use that as you need it. Okay, you can spray around the room also, it's fine.
Yeah, and I think here we only have either 70% alcohol or 95%
I have
alcohol.
95 is better because it evaporates faster.
And how much to how much?
How much what?
Like how much alcohol to how much essential oil? Is it the same amount?
Depends on your taste. For this one, I put like 3. I don't like to put too much because it gets too strong. Okay, but it's up to you, to your taste. And I fill this up. When I do it, I fill this up. And if you have a bigger one, it's the same. You just put more essential oil. This one, put more essential oil here. Okay. And it will be by your taste, basically. All right. We have also the violet flame pyramid. Now, this is not the same violet flame that we use in other treatments, okay? This is not the nice one. This pyramid is incineration pyramid. So please don't put anything alive in there, all right? I had a girl that was making for her this pyramid. She was putting herself in the pyramid. And then she was calling me, I feel so tired. I don't understand what's happening. And I was like, okay, let's try to understand. And we talked and we talked. And then finally she said, okay, I'm making the pyramid, the flame pyramid. And I'm inside it. And said, no, you're gonna burn yourself. and it was burning the energy, her energy. That's why she was like awful, feeling awful with no energy at all. Okay, so this is to burn the energy. All right. We use this when we don't have our water and salt around. Okay. Then I make a pyramid and the flame inside. How I do this? To make a pyramid, you're gonna use alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. Okay? You do this and you have a pyramid in the right proportion and alignment with the real ones in Egypt. And then I'm going to activate the violet flame inside. How? Activating the flame inside in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done. All right?
So do you have one of those flames activated like at the beginning of your workday before you see all of your patients and then close it at the end?
No, I use this only when I don't have my destruction unit.
Okay.
All right? Because that pyramid will need some kind of mind connection to be effective. So I don't want to be thinking about it. I just have my destruction unit ready, and I don't have to worry if my pyramid is working or not working,
Okay.
So just use
Right.
that when it's I don't have anything else. After I've done the job and I don't need that anymore, I'm going to send that pyramid to the upper atmosphere to be released. How that? Okay, I finished the work, so now I'm going to send this pyramid to the upper atmosphere to be released in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, now let me open the other one. Okay. So this is the method, how we do the work. The first thing is to calm your mind and go into an alpha state, right? To connect your mind and your heart. You're going to connect yourself to your egregore, to Jesus, to angels, to Reiki masters, to whatever is your choosing. Okay, you can choose whatever you like. And then connect yourself to that egregore. How? Asking for this connection, asking for help, orientation. Okay, so they can guide your work, because you're gonna work not by yourself. You are part of a team. All right, so you're gonna have people without a body working with you all the time that you're working. Okay, but it's extremely important that you do this connection to your egregore, to what you like, to what you feel in your heart. Okay, then you're gonna place the patient into a pyramid, and you're gonna put yourself into a pyramid. How's that? Putting my patient X into a pyramid in alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. Putting myself into a pyramid in alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. Okay? My pyramid can be a stronger pyramid. I usually do this pyramid just to myself. Sometimes if the patient is feeling very bad, I can use that for the patient, but usually just for me. So I made the pyramid, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. Then I'm going to activate the violet color inside my pyramid in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to put 5 suns into the pyramid in the corners. Okay, so putting the suns in the corners in alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. And now I'm going to activate the suns in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's done. I can also command to maintain that pyramid for a certain time. May this pyramid stay active and strong the whole day as I'm working in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right? For example, my protections I do around the clock. So I make mine for 21 days, and every day I renew it. So every day I'm renewing for another 21 days, another 21, another 21. Okay? Okay, it's done here. Now, number one, as I said, I don't use the exploration anymore. It's time consuming and not very effective in terms of results of the treatment. Will not change much or anything. Then we apply the sweeping to clean, make the Solaris and apply as we need it for the treatment with the person, stabilize with blue energy and intention, and then cut the cords of the patient here. So when we are applying the Solaris, we're gonna do the connection of the cords between the solaria and the chakra that we put in the solaria. All right? Don't forget that. And that's it. Wash your hands before and especially after the treatment, and see how the person is feeling. That's it. Question, guys? No
That's
questions?
it.
No? Okay. Okay, so let me talk about the rice then. So how are we gonna do the rice? We're gonna get these little jars, and we're gonna put 1 or 2 tablespoons of cooked rice inside. Is it cooked? Yes, yeah.
Yeah, it's cooked. Cooked. It's sticky.
Now you're gonna have to just make a mark in them to identify which one is which. You can put 1 and 2 or something.
Okay.
We're going to do this exercise because sometimes when we are doing energy work, which is based in your feelings, sometimes the feelings get confused. And when we are trying to heal the person, we might send energy that is not pure for that. Okay, so this test, this experiment, will help us understand how is our energy and if it is somehow contaminated with negative feelings. And if it is, we're going to repeat and repeat until we get the right result. All right. So now it's ready. I'm going to explain. We're not going to do this right now because we need to do the initiation before. But for you to understand, we're going to make a solarium with bad feelings. Hey, you don't deserve it. You are not worthy, whatever. Put all bad things, bad phrases in there. Make the 8, turn it on, apply to number 1 or 2, you choose. And activate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make it stable and the cut. Now you make another one with good feelings. You're happy, you're worthy, you're loved, etc. Again, number 8, turn it, apply, cut, done. And then you're gonna put them well, in your kitchen if you want, like at least 1 meter between each other, and just observe and try to see what's going to happen to the rice. If everything is okay, the rice with the love energy will keep at least visually healthy. The other one will get moldy and rotten. That's the objective. You see, so you have the rice from the same cooked portion of rice. It's the same rice. The jars are clean, are the same, okay? So whatever happens different between those two is because of the energy that you put into it. All right? Okay, so we're gonna take a break. Let's make 5 minutes break. And then we're gonna do our initiation. All right? Okay, guys. See you in 5 minutes.
All right.